Picture a 20-something graduate student sitting in his Stanford dorm room, frustrated by how terrible internet search was in the 1990s. Finding information online felt like looking for a needle in a haystack. Most search engines just matched keywords, giving you thousands of useless results. But Larry Page had a revolutionary idea. What if search could work like academic research, where the most cited papers are usually the most important? What if websites could vote for each other through links, creating a democracy of information? That simple insight would create the most powerful search engine in history and launch the age of artificial intelligence. Larry Page didn't just build Google, he rewired how humanity accesses knowledge. Lawrence Edward Page was born in 1973 in East Lansing, Michigan, into a family where computers weren't just tools, they were passions. His father was a computer science professor, and his mother taught programming. By age 6, Larry was already fascinated by how machines could process information. While other kids played video games, Larry dreamed of building computers that could think. At the University of Michigan, Larry studied engineering but became obsessed with a bigger question. How could technology serve humanity better? After graduating, he headed to Stanford for his PhD in computer science. It was there, in 1995, that he met Sergey Brin, a brilliant mathematician who shared his vision of organizing the world's information. The breakthrough came when Larry proposed his doctoral thesis project. Instead of analyzing web pages by their content alone, he wanted to study the structure of links between websites. Think of it like analyzing friendships in a social network. The most popular person usually has the most friends pointing to them. Larry called his system PageRank, and it changed everything. Websites with more high-quality links pointing to them would rank higher in search results. Larry and Sergey built their first search engine on Stanford servers, calling it BackRub. Students loved it because it actually found what they were looking for. But the system was consuming so much bandwidth that it nearly crashed the university's internet. That's when they knew they had something special. They renamed their creation Google, a play on the mathematical term Google, representing their mission to organize infinite amounts of information. In 1998, they founded Google in Susan Wojcicki's garage in Menlo Park, California. Larry became the company's first CEO, focused on building the perfect search engine. While other internet companies chased flashy graphics and complex features, Larry obsessed over speed and simplicity. Google's homepage was almost empty, except for a search box and 2 buttons. Users could find what they needed in milliseconds, not minutes. But Larry's vision extended far beyond search. He understood that artificial intelligence would eventually transform every aspect of technology. While serving as Google's CEO from 2011 to 2015, he pushed the company into ambitious AI projects. Gmail used machine learning to filter spam. Google Translate broke down language barriers using neural networks. Google Photos automatically organized pictures using computer vision. Larry's most audacious bet was Android, Google's mobile operating system. When Apple launched the iPhone in 2007, Larry realized that mobile devices would become humanity's primary gateway to information. He invested billions in making Android free for manufacturers, ensuring Google Search and AI services would reach billions of smartphones worldwide. Today, Android powers over 2 billion devices globally. Today, Larry Page's influence shapes how billions of people access information daily. Google processes over 8 billion searches every day. Google Assistant helps millions manage their lives through natural conversation. Google YouTube, which Google acquired in 2006, has become humanity's largest video library. Larry's PageRank algorithm evolved into sophisticated AI systems that understand context, intent, and meaning behind search queries. Larry Page proved that the most powerful technologies start with simple, human-centered questions. How can we help people find what they're looking for? How can machines understand what humans actually need? His journey from curious student to IA pioneer shows us that the biggest innovations come from solving fundamental human problems. If Larry's incredible transformation from graduate student to global technology leader inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories about visionaries who use technology to change the world through Built from Belief.